Yo, 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 Cinderella Sew, what up? Today I'm going to show you how you can easily fix a hole in your clothing like this. The first thing you want to do is turn the clothing inside out. So we're going to sew it from the wrong side. The next thing we're going to do is cut some thread. We're going to cut the thread at a bit of an angle, which will make it easier to put through the needle. This might be the hardest part, but you're just going to put that thread through the hole in the needle like that, and then pull it through until the ends meet at the bottom like this. Here's our hole. We're going to use our threaded needle to go through the fabric beside the hole. Pull your thread almost all the way through, but not quite. Then go back into the same holes you just came out, and we make this loop of thread. Now we can put our needle through that loop and pull it closed, making a nice little knot. And we will do a couple knots just on top of each other, pulling it tight, just like that. So now we can start sewing the hole shut, just starting on one end of fabric and coming out the other end on the other side of the hole. And we're going to do these stitches all along the hole. Make sure you come out far enough away from the hole that it's not going to unravel. So we're coming in from one side and coming out on the other side of the hole. Now we're at the other side of the hole. We've sewn it shut, and now we're just going to make a couple more knots on top of each other, and then we are all done. So we'll make a couple knots, nice and far away from the hole where the fabric is still together. Make 2 or 3 knots. Don't worry if you have little loops of thread like this, as long as you've pulled it nice and tight, it will be secure. Once we finish making knots on the other side of the hole, all we have to do is cut the thread off like that. You can cut off the thread that you started with. Now the hole is sewn shut. And when you turn your fabric out, you can see that hole is nice and sewn shut. Thank you so much for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.